Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix connection timeout in the ARK survival evolved. So I will show you the 7 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first and the most effective method is that you have to just change the router of internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. And our second method is that you have to just turn your airplane mode on for 4 to 5 seconds and then turn it off and restore your internet connection. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the third method. You have to open your Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using in your Android or iPhone, and then search here for your game and then check if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. And our fourth method is that you have to just open your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using and open the down detector and check here if the game server is down. Then you have to wait for some time and your problem will be fixed automatically. And the fifth method is that you have to just restart your Android device or iPhone device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If still you are facing the same problem, our sixth method is that you have to just simply uninstall the game and then again install it. If your problem persists, then you have to just contact to the support team of the ARK Survivor Evolved. After this, they will contact you and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.